Hey guys, listen. I've got some watercolor supplies in this tote that I am going to add to in a few minutes. This is not a lot. This is just me starting out. And I am happy to share with you what else is going in this basket. Want to see what I am growing my supply list with? Stay tuned. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. And I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. In this tote are a number of watercolor art supplies that I've collected over the past couple of months. Being new to watercolor, I don't have a lot. So I have taken my time, done the research, and collected a few items at a time. Now you've seen me start off with a haul and unboxing and swatching the Mozart Komorebi. You've seen me open up Happy Mail from Maria, in addition to unboxing some supplies from Temu. And today I'm going to add a few more items on there and tell you what's going to be coming up next on the channel. So stay tuned. All right, so in the Happy Mail that I received from Maria, she sent this Aquarius Roman Schmal watercolor set. And from Temu, I purchased this tin, and then I put those in there. Okay, I just figured, you know, why not go ahead and get a tin to house those in. And I also purchased some additional empty half pans. Now I still have these three that I need to house, and I'm currently looking for a palette to put those in. I should have one within the next couple of weeks. But in the meantime, I did go online, and it came in yesterday. Let's go ahead and open that up. There is, I wanted to keep this just the Roman Schmal, and then I'll add some tube paint to that. What kind? I don't know. I don't know. So in this package is the Winsor Newton Professional Watercolor. I bought titanium white. Titanium white. And I don't know who told me to do that. I don't even know if that was advised. I went on ahead and purchased it. But I think I was supposed to get titanium buff, or some type of buff. Well, we'll see. We'll see if I can use this. Let me just go ahead and open this up with the scissors. So I'm adding this to this palette here. It's Winsor Newton, but it's, yes, I think. Okay, great. Okay, so I'm adding this one to here, and that is just going to add to this, and I'm going to close that up. We've got that settled. And then last but not least, this is going to be really quick because this is just to let you know what's coming up. So I'm going to put that back in here. There was a watercolor brush that I just recently received from Maria. That is going, ooh, excuse me guys, that's going in here. I've got to open a couple more. This needs to come in here. And this cute little thing. We'll put that on here. All right. So we've got that working over there. Put that there. And I just kept this here for reference. I'll put it in some type of a scrapbook. Now, because I need to practice with the watercolor. I truly do. And I need to incorporate something into the schedule that will require that. I went on ahead and purchased a watercolor pad. Now, the idea is for me to spend 10 to 15 minutes every day. And whether or not I'm able to do that or not, I mean, I'm being very ambitious, but I'll let you know, guys know ahead of time. I am left to either get up really early in the morning to try and get some type of art done, some type of crafting or video editing done, or wait up till late at night. But I have to work in the morning. I am a mom and I am a wife. So nevertheless, my thought is there are plenty of watercolor artists on YouTube. Using one link a day, starting with just the basic brush strokes and working my way all the way up to past individual flowers up into maybe a bouquet or wreath. My hope is to spend 10 to 15 minutes every day in this watercolor pad. And I plan to compile those 15-minute videos into one long video every week, possibly airing it on Sunday mornings. But we will see as the time goes along. By the time you see this, that we may very well be kicking off. I want to invest in myself. When you love someone, you invest in them. You know, you invest your time, your energy, your effort, your resources into them, whether it's your spouse, whether it's your child. But I don't know if we actually do the same for ourselves. And so that's what the concept is. I have spent decades doing that for others. And if I can do that, investing my own time back into myself, doing something that I love or something that brings me joy, I think that's time well worth spent. Okay, so that's what I have planned. And so utilizing the supplies that I currently have right now, okay, the watercolor paints that I currently own. I have a few more, but I'm not, they're kind of iffy. They really are. They came from Hobby Lobby. Okay, they're tube paints. I don't know much about them. Anyways, we'll see. I may just put some in this palette and hope for the best. But moving right along. All right, so now guys, thank you so much for watching. Now listen, if you're new to watercolor, or if you are aspiring to start, you are coming in at the ground floor of me learning and me trying my hand at it. I'm not trying my hand at it. I'm determined to learn it and at some point master it, which takes, what did they say, 14,000 hours? Anyway, I don't want to discourage myself. So that's what we have there. And I'm excited. Now, listen, I hope this has inspired you to try something new. Maybe it's not watercolor. Maybe you can use this approach to something else, some other type of medium, or some other type of healthy exercise or activity that you've been thinking about. Perhaps spend 10 to 15 minutes a day showing your own self some love. Because I was reading in the Bible, I was reading in a Sunday school lesson, you know, when God instructed man, he said, and man, love your wife as you do yourself. No man has ever hated his own flesh. If you love yourself, you can love others. So it kind of starts with us, right? Okay, so that being said, I'm not getting ready to go into a sermon. I just wanted to bring forth that little piece of message for somebody who needed to hear it. I don't know who needed to hear, but that's what you got. Anyways, if you're still here and you're new to the channel and have not already subscribed, I don't know why you didn't. You're already a part of the family. You've been here for, what, longer than 5 minutes. So technically, you're my brother or my sister already. So hit the subscribe button and make it official. You know, sign the document. It's no documents. Anyways, and for those who are returning subscribers, thanks so much for coming back, for sharing your feedback, your likes, your comments, for sharing me in your creative spaces, and for always being generous, kind, and showing love to one another. Now listen, until we're back here together on YouTube, Patreon, and anywhere else you might see this video, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting, and don't forget to show yourself some love. Make time to show yourself some love, because you make time to show your kids some love. You make time to show your parents and your spouse some love. Do the same for yourself, because I love you. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.